Biggie. What do you see? Ooh, this place is nice. Look at that one.
I don't know where the butterflies are.
Probably inside. Let's go.
Let's go meet Papa.
Oh, Biggie, look at that. Biggie.
Mom, I found something. What is this?
Those are giant flower beetles.
Papa flower beetles.
Holy
Two
cow,
flower
look
beetles.
at those sizes.
Oh, I found something else. Right here.
That's a Hercules beetle.
Nice.
Holy cow. That's big. Biggie.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, what is that?
he climbing.
It's a gecko.
He's a giant day
Oh,
gecko.
why is he doing that?
He's coming to see you.
Oh, and that one.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
See his head? And then his arms come out here.
Hello.
Body goes down there.
Can you spot the frog? Where is it?
Challenger.
I don't see it. It looks very mossy.
Look down here, Pub.
Huh?
In the water somewhere.
It blends really well, huh?
Yep. Papa, can you help?
I can't find it.
Ah,
Biggie, look.
you can see their
Three of
eyes.
them. Wait, let me see.
You can see their eyes, right?
Holy cow. Biggie. What is that?
He's flat, basically.
What is that?
I don't know. Come look over here.
It's that's a really
Crested gecko.
difficult name.
Oh, there he is.
Aww, he's so cute.
Crested geckos. Look.
Where's
back?
that?
Back here. Back
It's like he
here.
doesn't have a tail.
Yeah. Look in the back and look at here.
Holy cow, they're so awesome. What is this?
Oh, I see him.
That's a really...
That's a weird.
Why do they have so many difficult names?
That's a weird frog.
Oh my gosh, this frog is awesome.
Oh, I see its eyes.
He looks like a leaf.
Look over here.
He looks like a leaf, Biggie. What is this? Doesn't he look like a gummy?
Yeah.
Gummy frogs, yum.
This one's color of a bumblebee. Down in there.
Oh my gosh.
What'd you spot here?
Another gummy frog.
Oh, there he is. Down there, under the
Yellow
tree.
and black.
There.
Where? What about here, Biggs? What is here?
Mom, baby chicks.
What is here? I want to see this one.
Whoa.
See him birds.
Biggie, look at this one.
Baby chicks, Mom.
Here, this one. Oh, you good?
Broke your head on the glass. Okay, look, I just give it
No, I'm not.
What is this?
But Mom, look.
Oh my gosh, these chickies are cute.
Look at the big one first.
Hello.
Here.
They're so fast. Look at
The big
them.
one is just going in line.
They're so fast, Biggie.
Look at this thing, it's so blue. Ready?
He said super blue, so I can
They're so cute.
Oh, and yellow and black.
And black, there we go.
What's down here? Oh, green one. Baby one. Mom, I think there's supposed to be a butterfly in there.
Where?
Look.
Where the frogs are?
Yeah, down here. Look. This.
Like frog. Oh, look! That's a baby.
Oh, blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. Oh, and green, by the way. Oh, and black, basically.
Where?
Over here. On the
Oh,
rock.
look, a green one.
Yeah, you know, I saw them. Oh, mushrooms.
Where?
And a blue one, another
Oh
one.
my gosh, there are
Hey,
mushrooms.
a green one. Mom, I spotted a green one.
Where?
Green. On the
Hey,
leaf.
you're so fast.
Green, green.
You want to see something gross? cockroaches.
I've never seen that one before.
I see something gross, cool.
Wait, hold on. A dart frog?
He's like flat.
Oh no, it's this gecko. That's so cool.
Hey, Mom.
Huh?
Dart frog eggs in here.
What is that? Where?
Dart frog eggs? I don't know where they are.
Dude, so many snails. Look.
They probably eat snails or something.
Probably.
Hey, what's that tiny thing?
Where? I have no idea. What is this one?
Frog right here.
Woo! Hello.
He's so obvious.
That's a dart frog.
Now can I see up there?
You want to see up there?
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on.
Milk frog. Oh, there he is.
Where?
In the
There?
back. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there he is. He's climbing.
Look, another one.
Yeah, but he's climbing, Mom.
Where?
Saying hi to you.
Corners. Oh, and also here. They like climbing, it looks like.
Yeah, look at that one.
They're like frogs.
Hmm?
What's over here?
I don't know. What is over here?
It says,
Fringed leaf frog.
okay.
It's cute. Can you spot it?
Oh, there he is.
Solomon Island? Look, he's right here.
Oh, he's big.
Wait, he only has one eye?
No?
Yeah, look, he only has one eye.
I'll look from over here.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, look at those. What are those? Those are cockroaches. Whoa. They're just in a statue.
Once we get in here, we'll see if that's
Do you see the stick insect?
Wait, sticking
Look here.
bug.
Alexandra, come on, honey.
No, those are prickly devils. Why are they called prickly devils? Look at this one. Man, that's gigantic.
Hey, what's this? What's that? What's this?
Holy
That?
cow.
Hey, there's a Gatorade bottle.
That's really big.
Gatorade bottle in there.
What about these? What is
There
this?
is them.
Ooh.
Just plants.
No? Look,
Oh, I see them.
caterpillars.
They look so cool. They might turn into a butterfly. That's why they put them there.
Look at this. What is this?
I think.
Walking sticks.
Look.
And a stick box. Holy
There's
cow.
something.
Piggy,
Oh,
look at this.
That guy is moving.
Where?
He's moving. Oh, he just stopped.
Where?
Come with me.
Oh my gosh.
What do you keep finding?
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Ooh, lots of cockroaches.
Hey, Mom, I want to see something.
Biggie, look at this. Jungle nymphs.
I want to show you something.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Man, that's big. What is this?
Big beetle. Oh, look. Silver, basically beetle. He's like a baby one, basically.
Those are cool. Where?
I'm gonna land on us.
Biggie, look at that. Look at that. Look, 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 look. So many butterflies. Oh my gosh.
Mom, take a look if one lands on me.
Okay, let's move away from the door. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Spotted a red one. See? He's red. I think the butterfly landed on me. How about butterfly? Tell me if a butterfly lands on me. Oh, Mom, look.
Biggie, look.
Yeah, I know. I gotta be looking. So how about tell me if a butterfly lands on me?
Look at this one.
Hey, Mom, look at that one.
Where?
See him?
Oh, I do.
Oh, super white.
And another one.
Look at this one right there.
Oh,
And another
he's
one.
above my head now. What is he doing?
They're so... Biggie, look at this one.
I don't. Oh, I see him.
They're surrounding.
More chickies?
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh,
me.
Mom, there's a see-through butterfly. Mom, look
Hmm.
at that see-through butterfly.
You're too fast for me, boy. Hold on, hold on. Where?
You took too long and now it's gone.
Oh, man.
Wait, there's a see-through butterfly. We have to find again.
Look at all these colorful butterflies.
Mom,
Huh? Woo! It says, please don't touch the butterflies.
and also there's a butterfly right there.
Biggie, look at this.
Oh!
And that one, the blue one.
Yes, yeah. And also, Mom, look at the one that's on the ground.
Ooh, that one's nice.
Hey, Mom, I think I found the one. This one.
No, he's too fast for me. Come look at this one. Biggs, look at this.
What?
Look at this. They're eating. Oh my gosh.
Oh, butterfly touched me.
Come look at these cocoons. Holy cow. Big and small.
Oh, Mom, I found him. There he is.
What? A see-through butterfly?
Yeah, there he is. That's the see-through one.
Oh my gosh.
He looks so cool, right?
I've never seen one until now. How cool is that? Dude, that's awesome.
Wanna watch him fly?
Yeah. Dude,
Yes. Oh, there's
another one.
Hey, Jinx.
You with your jinx.
Hey, Mom, look up there, though. Those are the baby ones that are still growing, and those are the big ones that are.
Those are nice cocoons.
So, what do you think those two butterflies are gonna do that are already grown?
I think people are gonna take them and put them outside. Oh, they're so pretty.
Mom, look at the one. Mom,
Huh? Huh? Where?
up there. See him? He's flying.
Oh man, they're so fast.
Mom, another sheep.
Look here, this one.
Oh, I see him.
Woo! What are
Look
they
up.
doing?
Mom, look up.
I am looking up.
Bro, why so many?
Bruh, I don't know.
Hey, Mom, look.
What? Oh, the butterfly's on you. Smile. Oh,
Hey,
that's
Papa.
so cool.
Papa,
What type of it? Ooh, that's a blue one.
it landed on me.
Okay, stay still, stay still. Huh?
That one's like a rainbow.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened to his wings?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, look at this one here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at the one behind it.
Yeah.
Yellow, blue, black.
That's so awesome.
Hey. It didn't land. What'd you find?
What'd you find?
Oh,
Ooh.
so many.
So many.
And also, Papa, that was epic when the butterfly landed literally right where my armpit. Oh, hi. Papa, he's literally trying to surround you and me.
I know, I almost stepped on
They're eating Biggie.
it. Look at
Hidden blue one, right
A
there.
hidden blue one?
He's right there, behind the plant pot.
Ooh.
You're lucky you have brightness.
Look, this one also.
Oh, nice. Oh, Mom,
And right in front of you.
whoa.
Let me see.
Hi.
Ooh.
Oh, he's purple and white.
That's so cool. Look at this one. Ah! He's
Wait.
going to Papa. Oh my gosh, he's coming to
He's
you.
in.
Ah.
Aw.
Oh.
But
Look,
Mom.
one is right here. Right
Oh,
here.
nice. I didn't even see him because of this leaf right here.
I know, and he's so beautiful.
Hey,
They're
Mom,
all
two
beautiful.
clear ones.
Where?
Look here. Oh.
Where? Ah! This one.
Ooh.
This one looks like a leaf.
But look at this one. This one has like multiple eyes.
Multiple eyes?
Yeah, look at it.
Dude, they look like eyes.
That's so if someone sees it, they think it's a big old predator, and so they won't touch it. If you see that and you're some type of bird or something,
These butterflies are beautiful. Where? Hold on, hold on. one?
Those two. Did one just land on my head?
Oh my
For a second.
gosh, look at all of them.
I think one of them landed on my head for a second.
Really?
Yeah. Look, it's gone now.
It's gone now. Gone, gone, gone.
Oh,
Shaving cream, so it moved down.
wait, what?
Hmm?
What's that? Come,
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
find one. Come. I'm literally just.
Look, I found a clear one. I found a see-through.
I see him. But Mom,
Huh?
you're gonna mess it up.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. You're so fast, boy.
It's coming to you. You see it?
Ah! Here.
Yeah, those ones with the eyes.
I know.
So many.
I think they're hungry.
Oh, Mom, look above Coco's head.
Where? That one? Oh, this one.
What is he doing?
Look, the one that looks like a leaf.
I still don't.
It's not
Oh.
a leaf, you goofball. Looks like a leaf, but it's not. Look. See the eyes? You see the sprouts?
Well, then scare it.
Why would you want to scare it?
Then I can see if it's a butterfly or not.
It's so
Hey,
cute.
Mom, look. There's one up there.
Where? Woo!
I can't reach.
Yeah, me neither. Not that tall. Biggie, look at this one.
Yeah, but I see a feeder.
No, like this one.
Double.
Double the trouble.
But Papa, look over there.
Ooh.
Hey, that one just landed.
Yep, the orange and black
Mom,
one.
Mm.
That one.
Oh, this is so cool. They're all eating.
while that, Mom, I'll take a look at these.
Which one?
Up there.
Like this one.
I can't see that.
That one's what?
Pink.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, Pinky.
I thought you said it had teeth.
Yeah,
Oh, Mom.
that'd be
see
weird. A butterfly with teeth.
Another see-through? Ooh.
Aw, it almost landed on me. Wait, Mom, look at this one.
Mm.
It's flopping but staying in place.
Look at this one. You missed that, boy.
See-through. There it is.
Where?
See-through. It's right here. And the chick escaped. The chick escaped.
Oh my gosh, it is.
escaped.
Dude. Look at this one.
Look at this one. Almost landed on me. And Mom,
Hmm.
this one here.
Where?
That one almost landed on me.
Man, why are you so fast?
You mean the butterfly?
No, you. Look at all these, Biggie. Ooh, see? All of them just standing there.
Trying to get them to land on me.
Look, baby, this one's orange.
Bro, there's so many orange ones here.
Yeah, but look.
Bruh.
Oh, I see that one.
Bruh, look at this one, bruh.
They're never afraid of me. See? See? Oh.
That doesn't look like a leaf.
No, it's brown. If he was on a brown leaf,
Biggie,
yeah.
there's a giant.
Biggie, this one. See-through. You come look. The see-through is right here. This one?
The see-through just went through my legs.
Oh, that's so nice. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Where is it? Oh, behind me?
They're so fast.
See? Nope. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
He's right here.
Right there?
He almost sat on it.
I didn't see it, and it was like right there.
Your arm, you were about to put your arm there, then you saw it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or did you feel it?
Trying to get it to move so it didn't crush it.
So epic. I
Dude.
got him on me. How come he's no longer
Hold on.
behind
Stay
you?
still. Oh my gosh. That is epic.
Papa, this feels so cool at least. We can